It's just too hot. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. It's already 90 degrees. It's just too hot. 93 in here. I plugged in the GoPro to charge it up because it was super low on battery, and it actually said that it was too hot and it was going to power itself down. Who's calling me? Let's see what they got to say. Hello, welcome to Money Pit Boating.
Hello, this is Trudy calling from True Creek.
Oh, all right. Where was I? Oh yeah. It's super hot out. As you can see, I'm just starting to drip sweat, and it's not even noon. So I went out and I got an air conditioner that allows babies to sleep. I think I'm gonna put it right here, which sucks because it's gonna interfere with that door. I don't want it on that side because then we'll have to walk around it to get onto the dock, and all the AC electrical stuff is gonna be over here. Alternating current, not air conditioning. There's a difference. Now I gotta figure out how to install an air conditioner. I don't think I've ever done this. It'll be nice when it's done because that way we can bring babies on board and have them sleep. One of the most challenging things about installing an air conditioner on a bootleg boat, the instructions, they just assume that you're putting it in a normal window and not in this thing. I gotta figure out some framing and knock out this window. My idea is to have like a little H frame in there and then have this all open, so then I can make a little opening window, and then we can test out whether or not the seal of it sucks. We've never really made a window that opens. Oh, wow, that's a big bee. Good guy. Okay, I'm going over here. And that's how you do that. Nailed it. All right, so. And that's how you do that. That did not go well. Hopefully we can still salvage this bottom part. And that's how you kind of cut your hand. This is dangerous. I don't want to cut myself. I gotta think of a better way to do this. Guess what I found? A glove from the 90s.
Holy moly!
I feel like the Undertaker. Welcome to Money Pit Boating. Oh man, I feel invincible with this glove. It's amazing how strong this stuff is. When in doubt, use a hammer. There we go. Oh, that was it right there. God bless me. I want to just bend this whole thing in and then pull it out, but it doesn't appear to want to do that. So I shall hit it with a hammer again. Yep, that was a good one. Oh, yep. Looks like I'm not going to be making a window today. That's how you get it out. Just close your eyes and hope, right? That's a big one. Oh yeah, nice and easy. That's a chopper. Let's go check the app. I found this one website that tracks air traffic. Oh man, seems like Coast Guard doesn't put their tracking stuff out. Okay, so this app is clearly stupid because it doesn't track the Coast Guard. There's a helicopter, there's a train. They're all taunting me. I'm trying to work. Can you see me in the reflection? Comment below. Come on, if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, it's about time. So I just added this little 2x4 strip because this is what the air conditioner actually has to butt up against to in order to sit flush with the top part where it's got to mount into. I gotta figure out where it's gonna sit and put everything in. Try and fit this thing around here without knocking this thing down. This is gonna be tricky. Ow! Well, this ain't good. Does not want to go in here. Well, we wanted it to be tight. It's just way too tight. Ow! That one hurt. Oh no! I was pinching this thing. Alright, let's see if I can pound this thing in a little more. Alright, got this bad boy installed.
I'm gonna just put a temporary board over here.
Block that. Almost done. I'm gonna put a board in over here. I just finished putting this board in. Oh my god, that feels so amazing. It works and it feels amazing. I've only been running it for maybe 5 minutes now. It's already dropped 10, 12 degrees. I don't know how bad the audio sounds right now. In real life, it's not that bad. That's awesome. I thought it was gonna be a lot louder. We could probably run this thing on super low and still break the heat. Things are on the up and up. Now I just need to install the alternating current power. That way we won't have to use house electricity. I just texted Coots a picture and he said, LOL, excellent. Isn't that such a good response? That's it. LOL, excellent. I could have expected, oh my god, thank god, finally. LOL, excellent. These little triple bubbles better be good. And I hope it's appropriate for TV. Oh, there we go. I highly recommend we put a piece of plexi there so we can see when we reverse. It'll be fine just using the door, but it'll be a mild pain when we have the door closed because of elements. Agreed. If you would have tuned into the prior part of this video, you would have realized that I was talking about putting in a window here. Nailed it. Looks like I'm not going to be making a window today. But you weren't watching, were you, Coots? You were busy. All right. Coots just got here. He's giving me a blue ball. Oh, when I turn that thing on, it's gonna make everything live.
Or dead.
Yeah. You want the fire extinguisher out? Just to, oh, thank you. See, that's why he's my first mate. If you like that, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe and all that fun stuff. Let's get a cold box up in here. Wait for this thing to like kick on and then just be like
It's got it to 72 so far.
Alright, goodbye friend. Yeah, get out of my face.
Fast? Normal?
Super fast, man. Whoa. Of course he honks.